Every young person carries a dream. But for many, turning that dream into a livelihood requires more than ambition. It requires opportunity, discipline, skills, and someone willing to invest in their potential. Across Machakos County, a bold initiative is creating that pathway. The Machakos Youth Service, MYS. Championing a vision of a skilled, self-reliant and economically empowered generation, Governor Wavinya Ndeti has placed youth empowerment at the heart of Machakos County's development agenda. MYS brings together young people from across the county and gives them an opportunity to transform their potential into practical skills and sustainable livelihoods. The journey begins with discipline, purpose, and it starts at the boot camp. For 21 days, MYS recruits undergo a structured residential boot camp designed to build more than physical strength. Here they develop discipline, personal consciousness, patriotism, teamwork, leadership and life skills. This is the first step in a journey from potential to possibility.
Tumepata chance ya kufanya kosi yenye mtu alihitaji katika maisha yake imwendeleze.
After the boot camp, the journey continues at vocational training centers across Machakos County. For 3 months, the training is fully sponsored by the County Government of Machakos, allowing each recruit to select and pursue a practical course of their choice. The courses include electrical and electronics, motor vehicle mechanics, plumbing and masonry, welding and metalwork, beauty therapy, fashion and design, event management, and DJ training. These are hands-on skills designed to respond to real opportunities, skills that open doors to employment, entrepreneurship, and self-employment. At the end of their skills training, the trainees sit for National Industrial Training Authority (NITA) examinations, earning nationally recognized certification. But the transformation does not end in the classroom. For 2 weeks, the recruits give back to the communities that raised them through community service. And they learn that empowerment is not only about changing one's own life, it is also about changing the lives of others and their communities. And then comes the moment every recruit has been working towards: graduation. But MYS is deliberately designed to move beyond a certificate. Graduates are supported with tools of trade to help turn their newly acquired skills into livelihoods.
I am very proud of you, my youth. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. You are not waiting for the future. You are building it right here, right now. This pass-out parade is our loud declaration to the world that the youth of Machakos are no longer looking for seats at the table. They are building their own table.
Today, beneficiaries are taking their skills into the marketplace, securing employment, starting businesses, and building futures for themselves and their families. Their success is proof of what happens when opportunity meets determination. The Machakos Youth Service is more than a training program. It is a pathway to dignity, self-reliance, opportunity, economic transformation, and a stronger Machakos. By investing in young people, Machakos County is building a skilled, confident, and empowered generation that is ready to contribute to our sustainable development.
On behalf of all Machakos youths, I really say thank you. Umetutoa kwa giza, umetuleta mwangazani. Tunashukuru sana. Ubarikiwe tu sana. We are thankful. We are really moving forward.
Because when we invest in our young people, we invest in the future of Machakos County and Kenya.